After that, we will continue the presentation as the first presenter. The first topic is about Imam al-Balkhi contributions to the mental health. First of all, we have to know what his biography and what his contribution and work to this field. Imam al-Balkhi full name is Abu Zaid Ahmad ibn Sal al-Balkhi. He expertise in various fields of knowledge, medicine, mathematics, history, philosophy, and much more. He write numerous books such as Masalihu al-Abdan wa al-Anfas, Suwar al-Kalima, and Kitab al-Badawa wa al-Tarikh. On this presentation, I will highlight Kitab Masalihu al-Abdan wa al-Anfas that highlighted Imam al-Balkhi perspective about mental health and what the therapy that he proposed to treat mental health. Furthermore, on his book Masalihu al-Abdan wa al-Anfas, Imam al-Ghazali highlighted the importance of both physical and mental aspect as the factor that influence human well-being, which means the unbalance between physical and mental can lead to mental disorder. Consistent with his theory, Imam al-Balkhi proposed two different methods in mental health treatment. The first one is related to physical, and second one is related to inner or mind. The first one is an early version of cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT), which later will become the foundation for the modern world mental treatment, also for counseling. And this approach utilizes talking, advising, preaching. On the other hand, internal therapy of cognitive therapy related to our perspective, as the Imam al-Balkhi seek us to find on how to fight our negative mind. Furthermore, he provide a detail of mental health, detail about symptom, what their cause, what their effect, what their factor, and how we want to treat this mental health such as depression, phobia, and anxiety. The last part of this presentation is about the comparison between Western perspective and Islamic perspective. On the Western perspective, I chose John B. Watson as he proposed behaviorism. Behaviorism theory is focused on behavior as the tools to study human condition, which means if we want to study why humans have mental health, we have to study their behavior as the factors to the mental health, which means which focus on external factor and neglecting internal factor, which our mind as the factor that lead to human mental disorder. And so this influence on the therapy that this theory proposed, which only focus on physical therapy and neglecting internal therapy. On other side, Islamic perspective, Imam al-Balkhi highlighted the important both physical and mental therapy, which align with hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, inna fil jasad mudghah fa idza salaha jasada kulluhu wa idza fasada jasada kulluhu. Imam al-Balkhi criticized physicians during his time that only focus on physical treatment and neglecting mental treatment, and this approach seemed as revolutions as it against the majority perspective of scholars during his time, and this become the foundation for the modern mental health treatment. This highlighted that Muslim scholars also play a major role in contributing to this field, and this highlighted that Islam guide us in different aspects of our life, especially in mental health.